is Rajveer, and today I'll be going over the assignment 2, which is regarding the Pi data log based solution for modeling and solving an electrical environment problem. We'll walk through the algorithm, run the code, and for this assignment, I'm using Google Colab to make my code run in Python. So we are currently first given a code in CI log, which has been converted, and the problem involves simulating an electrical environment with lights, wires, and circuit breakers. The goal is to determine which lights are lit, which components are live, and how components are connected. So PyDataLog is a logic programming library to model the system with logical rules and facts. So going over the code, first we'll put our facts straight, which are static properties like which lights and wires exist, whether switches are up or down, and the operational status of circuit breakers. We do have rules, which are logical statements defining system behavior, like lights being lit if it's connected to a live wire and is operational. And then at the end, we have queries, which components are connected to wire W, or which lights are lit. So we'll run that at the end. So first, to set up the environment with the Python, we'll need the PyDataLog library. For that, we use this pip install PyDataLog command, and that will make sure that we can run these logical algorithms. So moving forward, as you can see over the code, we have our set predicates. We have lit, live, connected to, light, up, down, OK, W, W1, and so on. After that, we have our queries examples, which we ran after the code. So those are up S connected to W0W, connected to W1W, connected to YW3, lit L, live L. And for my program here, the query are being stored in a list, and then I'm using another library PD for data frame. Sorry, actually pandas for data frame. So my output looks something like this over here. After running my code and the queries as an example, I have formatted them in a table down here. So for query up S, it shows the switches are in up position, where here switches S3 and S2 are up. The next one is connected _to W0, W1. This reveals that the wire W0 is connected to wire W1. The next one is W1, W, where no components are actually connected to W1. Moving on with our next query, which is Y connected to YW3. Here it comes out that W4 and W2 are connected to W3. For lit L and live L, there's empty result, which means for lit L, no lights are lit in this configuration, which means no operational lights have a live connection. And for live L, the same thing, there are no wires or lights are alive, indicating there's that current isn't flowing through the system as expected. So to summarize everything here, so PyDataLog has been implemented, which allowed us to model the electrical environment, and we used our logical rules and facts moving up, which we can look through our code right here. Our logical facts are stated with nicely commented in the code. And thank you for watching. I'd like this was helpful.